Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to give an update on my portfolio and show you guys all of my positions and their returns. Today, I opened up some new positions that I would like to talk about. Let's get started. So right now, my portfolio is worth $144,491.49. In the past year, I am up $48,726.35. Year to date for the year 2024, I am up $48,833.41. Today was a green day for me. I am up $2,061.06 today. And like I talked about earlier, I did open some new positions today that I would like to talk about. So for my options, I'm selling Amazon $220 covered calls. These expire March 21st, 2025. My return, $270. I am selling Delta Airlines $60 covered calls. These expire March 21st, 2025. My return, I am down $88. I'm selling Disney $120 covered calls. These expire March 21st, 2025. My return, $582. I'm selling Google $190 covered calls. These expire March 21st, 2025. My return, I am down $135.99. I'm selling SoFi $15 covered calls. These expire March 21st, 2025. My return, I am down $4,096. For my stocks, I have 300 shares of Amazon. Amazon is at $225.20. My average cost, $226.06. My return, I am down $257.50. I have 6,400 shares of SoFi. SoFi is at $15.69. My average cost, $5.70. My return, $63,946.05. I have 400 shares of Disney. Disney is at $111.20. My average cost, $114.49. My return, I am down $1,314.97. I have 300 shares of Google. Google is at $194.65. My average cost, $177.69. My return, $5,089.50. I have 300 shares of Target. 200 shares of Target. Target is at $131.81. My average cost, $149.41. My return, I am down $3,520.50. I have 400 shares of Delta Airlines. Delta Airlines is at $61.81. My average cost, $65.76. My return, I am down $1,580. This is a margin account. My margin total is $170,860.85. $170,860.85. My margin used is $150,413.11. I have a pending dividend charge of $250. This leaves me with $20,197.74 in buying power. And I do think that if I go into my account and go into investing, it shows a lot of information here. Before, I could just click on the main screen to look at my margin rates and things like that. But for this one, I can go to this screen right here and it'll give a lot of information. So the total market value of my portfolio is actually $291,805. Let's see. And you see a breakdown of my stocks here. SoFi, the number of shares, the current price, the average cost, and the total return, and the equity. I might use this screen to show you guys my portfolio. But for now, I'm going to keep on doing things the way I have been doing it. But this shows you a lot of information about the breakdown of my portfolio. As you can see, the majority of it is in SoFi, over $100,000 in SoFi shares. And then Amazon, I have over 67,000 right now. And then 58,000 in Google, 44,000 in Disney, 24,000 in Delta Airlines, and then 26,000 in Target. So that's how much equity I have in the shares. Now, margin investing is enabled for my account. I already went through the numbers. The margin maintenance is $60,788. That's the level I have to stay above in order to avoid getting margin called. And I believe it should give a breakdown of the current rate. I'm not sure where to get it though. Maybe I go into account here, margin investing. Okay, everything's enabled. Sorry, I'm still figuring this out. Okay, yeah, yearly interest rate 5.25%. So that's my interest rate. But yeah, I think I might decide to go into some other screens and show you guys the breakdown of my portfolio that way moving forward. But let me know what you guys think. So I did open up some new positions today. I believe one of them was the Amazon. So my shares of Amazon got called away last Friday. And because of that, I had to sort of buy Amazon shares again and then do covered calls on it again because I didn't roll them out on time, even though I did want to keep them. So right now, I've got 300 Amazon shares. I bought them today. Let me scroll down here to the history. So yeah, Amazon limit buy 300 shares at $226.06. So 300 shares I bought. And then I sold the Amazon $220 calls expiring on March 21st, 2025. 3 contracts at $18.70. Estimated credit, as you can see, $5,609.91 in the credit for these covered calls. Now, I chose a strike price that's already below the current price. I chose a strike price of 220, and right now Amazon is already above that. It's at 225. So I don't really, I'm pretty much capping my gains in exchange to get more premium. So that's what I'm doing with this position. So even if Amazon goes up to $240, $250, I'm not gonna get the all of those gains that I would have gotten had I not had this covered call. I'm capping my gains so that if Amazon is at $220 or above at expiration, I'm gonna get the same amount of profit regardless. But I do get quite a bit of profit, right? The market value of these calls is currently worth $5,000. So if everything goes well, I will make some money, which is really all I care about for this position specifically. Delta Airlines, same thing. I chose a strike price that's already below the current price. So Delta Airlines, I chose strike price of $60. Right now, Delta Airlines is at $61. So if things stay this way at expiration and Delta Airlines stays above $60 at expiration, then I'll make some profit. I think this time around, I tried to aim for something that's around at least $5, not $5, 5% profit at expiration if things go well. So yeah, market value for this over $2,000. So I will get some money from the premium from these covered calls. Disney, one of the rare positions that I chose a strike price that's above the current price. So Disney, I chose strike price of 120. Right now, Disney is below that, is at 111. So there is room, a little bit room, that if Disney goes up to 120, I'll get the profit from that. But anything above 120, it's capped gains. But I'm willing to take that risk. I'm fine with that. Google, I believe I had this already. I don't think this is new. Hold on, let me check my history. Sometimes I forget what I sell and don't sell. So sell, this is 13 hours. Oh, so this was, oh, never mind. This was today. I'm crazy. Okay, so I think maybe I had the shares already, but I didn't have the covered calls on it yet. Either that or I'm not really sure. Maybe I'm losing track of my positions. I'll have to go back and check. So this was today, December 23rd. Selling one contract. Interesting. Did I have... Oh, I know what I did. Oh, okay. I remember now. So I actually bought 100 more shares of Google today. I remember now. I put in an order to buy 100 shares of Google earlier today. And then I sold some covered calls against it. So yeah, here you can see the limit buy 100 shares at $193.86. And then I sold the Google 190 call expiring March 21st, 2025. One contract at $14.60. So that's another position where Google is currently above 190. I chose 190 for the strike price. Right now, Google's at 194. So again, if it is above 190 at expiration, I get the same amount of profit regardless, which I'm fine with. I should make a small amount of money. SoFi, same sort of situation. SoFi is currently above $15, and this one, it's huge. Like, even though I chose a strike, even though I chose a strike price of only $15, if it stays above $15 and I just, collect the profit, I end up making quite a bit of money from this. I mean, the market value right now is at over $16,000 for these SoFi calls that I'm selling. So even if SoFi goes up to, $22 per share or whatever, even if it does go up that high, and I miss out on gains, I still do end up making some pretty good gains regardless. So it should be fine. I think I'll be a little bit salty if it goes up too high, but regardless, I'm still going to make some money anyways. That's how I look at it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I have to report. And hopefully everything goes well. I did the calculations. If everything goes well in March and my stocks stay above the strike prices that I chose, I should end up with at least 160K. But we'll see. Of course, I'll have to monitor this and see where I'm at, but I should reach above 160K if everything goes well. If everything goes according to plan. Um, yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. Hopefully, there's nothing big that happens that causes the market to crash, but who knows? All right. So that's pretty much it for this portfolio update. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me share all my positions. If you guys do like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll keep on making more of these videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.